Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern SF# logo design tutorial. So today video is very interested. So let's get started. First, I open Illustrator. Then I take my size. Now I'll open my drawing file. Then its opacity convert less than. Then I select a circle path. It's sum twact. Then it copy. Again it copy. Again, it's 4. It is very easy and simple, so you do it. Now, I'll use a shape builder tool and remove other side. It's easy, but carefully work. Now again select a circle shape. Then it copy. Now it copy. And select a circle. Now other side for remove. Again select a circle. It's copy. Now use shape builder tool. Okay, it is perfect. Again select. It's okay. Now, select a text. Choose font. It's convert to small. Now some modified. Now S and F letter shape under select. It's sum twact. Then copy and remove it. Now, to copy and again remove. Now choose color selection. Select a shape. Okay, this video is end and subscribe my channel.